install open air intake. It was already mounted in the car, so I just bought the new air filter because the old one was pretty nasty, never changed. I'm curious about the intake sound, and if anything goes wrong, like check engine light or a bad mixture, then I will swap it for the original one. I will start with air, I don't know how to call it, air diffuser. Maybe, yeah, it was included in the car, so I just painted black and I will put it back right now. Okay, just carefully bend it, don't break it, it's important. Seems fine. I'm gonna continue with this assembly. Just lube it here with a bit of grease. And I need to sneak in with this. Hopefully it could go there somehow. I will continue with the air filter. Yep, seems tight to me. Cool. Now connect to mass airflow sensor. That's in. I'm gonna put this cover here, like this. Collect in. And now I put connectors back in. That's in. And that's in. Cool. Final step. I have this kind of seal here. It's pretty old, I will change it in next days. Okay, that's it. And because I have the 3D printer, I decided to print this intake adapter. I don't think that it will add some power. I use application called Reality Scan. I take a lot of photos of the engine bay with the air filter to be able to use it. Autodesk Fusion, I just create a raw model, print out this using PETG plus carbon fiber filament. It turns out pretty well. I was a bit scared about the temperatures, if it will hold, and the under hood space is really hot, but it holds